Problem analysis needs to be a very clear step-by-step process. Once you start to investigate, it can often be difficult to decide which is the main problem to be solved. When you find several different problems, which may all be similar or related to one another, this can make it really hard for you to decide which is the most important. The key to a successful problem analysis is to identify the root cause. What was the original problem? Not just the consequences that have come about because of the problem. These are the effects. You must be able to clearly identify the cause and the effects. If you don't successfully identify the main problem, the cause, you can easily get distracted in your analysis because you lose your focus, and that won't help you find solutions to your root cause. One of the most important things to do when you're trying to analyze a problem and identify the root cause is to speak to the people involved. That means visiting the place or the people involved. For example, in the case of the farmer, you need to talk to him and the other people who are complaining about him. Getting this close to a problem helps you to be more objective. A bit like seeing the problem from both points of view. You'll be able to carry out a much more balanced analysis of the issue if you can understand both sides. Remember, when you do problem analysis, it's very important to do your research and analyze the situation objectively. Always check your facts. If possible, use multiple sources, including the information from the people involved, and get a good understanding of the situation and the problem before you try to solve it.